to show you the demo of this Derma Roller. It's a 540 pin Derma Roller and I bought it from Amazon, and it's 540 needles. It have good needles, and this is the cover. You can see from all sides. Okay, and this is roller. It have 540 pins, and how to use it? Mostly people use it for their head, but some ladies or some girls also use for their skin. So how I am showing you the demo for how to use it on head when people have some falling hair. So to go this way, see, put some little bit pressure so you can give it will stimulate your blood flow here when you will give some temporary damage to your skin using this Derma Roller. And it is good product, people using it. This is the way to use it. Yeah, you can use it in a week 2 to 3 times, or maximum 4 times. Yeah, this is the product. I showed you the demo, and link in the description, and you can shop now from there on Amazon. It's a good product. You can see from all sides. It is very heavy or safe cover to protect it so the needles do not get damaged. It is good.